My name is David Pollock, and I'm the founder and CEO of Brand Labs USA. And we're a contract manufacturer in the skincare and nutrition industry. Probably say we're more known as a creative house for developing new products, and then we do manufacturing for quite a number of well-recognized brands. You can't manage a business on a napkin forever. So as we grew, we started going to spreadsheets. We upgraded our QuickBooks. We got into the inventory modules. We started working with everything we could to keep things going. And we did quite well at that stage in our business. As things grew, it got out of control. And we discovered all kinds of problems with waste of chemicals, over ordering, not timing correctly, which then becomes a cash flow issue. And as a growing business, cash flow is king. And so we had to manage all this. So I had not heard the word ERP. Sorry, I'd never heard the word ERP before, and learned what an ERP system was and started looking. The first one we tried was a system called Valdata. And I think they're a good workhorse, but their user interface was complicated. So we tried month after month. While they promised to help, even come in to help us, we were never able to get the support to get it online. We then started searching for other systems. After spending all that money or making that investment, we moved on to other systems. We looked at Fishbowl. We looked at, I don't even know how many others, Batchmaster. We started looking at several. And a couple people in our company or organization, especially in accounting, said, I've worked with Fishbowl or I've worked with this system. It is very complicated. And if you go with it, I'm not going to be able to help you. That scared me after what we had just been through. We found Wherefour. We couldn't believe you can do what you could do, and that's the truth. We set up a demo. We probably set up a second demo. We asked all kinds of questions, and you were too good to be true. You were affordable, your user interface was friendly, and it was functional. And it just truly, we couldn't find anybody out there who checked all the boxes as you did. So that to me became a dream world, and to be honest, it was a dream world. We really didn't believe you were going to be able to do what you did. And here we are a few years later, and you've proven you can. You're not just an inventory system to us. You've improved our cash flow significantly because our timing of ordering of chemicals. You have alternate suppliers that we can store in there and help us purchase more efficiently. But it goes further. Our quality control department now has control points in there. And so we can stop something and let it continue based on those control points testing that we have to do. I think the biggest feature is all departments have eyes on what we're doing. So we have actually broken apart our scheduling. So there's a batching component and then a different schedule for filling. And because we have to run different tests in between, we've broken them into two different bill of materials, and our team can schedule them separately. So we're able to better plan our inventory. We're better looking at our cash flow. Our accounting system used to give me what we call our backlog or open orders report. I'd look at it for the year and go, wow, this is what we have coming in. When we got that system or all those orders through Wherefour, I said, can we break it down by month? All of a sudden I see my cash flow. All of a sudden I'm better able to plan, and I'm going, wait a minute, that's not all money coming in next month. That's spread over several months. So I'm better able to manage inventory. Also our staffing. All of a sudden I'm hiring people thinking I've got all these huge orders, but once you see where they're spread out. So I'm better, more efficient at our people, more efficient on our inventory, more efficient on our cash flow. We're now doing invoicing through the system, which we were not before. So I'm able to then check profitability on each production run. I'm able to track waste better. And again, my entire team can see what's going on, from project management to client liaisons to quality control to manufacturing to scheduling. So everybody has eyes on the system.